So today we will start with the topic electric potential. Now, electric potential, it is defined as the amount of work done to bring unit coulomb of positive test charge from infinity to a particular point in an electric field. From infinity to a particular point in an electric field. Now see here, this is a plus Q charge. As such, the electric field lines will move in all possible directions. Now, electric potential is defined as the amount of work done to bring unit coulomb. This is unit coulomb of positive charge from infinity to a particular point in an electric field. Now see here, this is the source charge, plus Q charge is there, due to which there is electric field in all possible directions. Okay, this is several directions the electric field will act. Now see here, we are taking one electric field line that is acting along this direction. So as the electric field is acting along this direction, now from infinity, if you are taking a test charge Q0 coulomb of charge, which is brought from infinity to a particular point, suppose at this point it is brought. So whatever is the amount of work done to bring the test charge, unit coulomb of positive test charge from infinity to this point, that is electric potential. Now suppose to bring Q0 coulomb of charge work done is W joules. Okay, so to bring 1 coulomb of charge work done is what? W by So this one, amount of work done to bring 1 coulomb of charge from infinity to a particular point, that is electric potential. So V equal to W by Q0. Now, unit of V, that will be work done unit is joule, charge unit is coulomb, so unit of V, that is joule by coulomb, which is termed as volt. Okay. Then we will see the dimensional formula of V. Okay. So joule, that is kg meter square per second square, divided by coulomb, that is ampere second. So this is meter m L square A minus 1 T minus 3. So this is the dimensional formula of volt. Now see here, electric potential is defined as the amount of work done to bring unit coulomb of positive charge from infinity to a particular point in an electric field. So from infinity Q0 coulomb of charge, when it is brought towards Q, so what happens? This is positive charge plus Q0 charge is there, this one is also plus Q. So there is repulsive force between plus this q naught coulomb of charge and q coulomb plus q coulomb of charge. As such, to overcome the repulsive force, we are doing external work, and that external work which is used to overcome the repulsive force and bring the test charge up till P, that work energy, that is stored in the form of electrostatic potential energy, due to which for 1 coulomb that is termed as what? Electric potential. So as the q naught coulomb of charge that will come more and more closer to the source charge, more amount of work will be done. As such, more energy is required, hence the electric potential will increase. Okay, so here you see this is plus q charge is there, and these are electric field lines. Now suppose q naught coulomb of charge that is brought from infinity to one position, that is A, second position, that is B. Now to move the charge from infinity to A, some work will be done. From infinity to B also some work will be done. But here when the charge is brought from infinity to B, it has to overcome more and more repulsive force. As such, the work done to bring the charge from infinity to B, that is more than the work done to bring the charge from infinity to A. As such, the potential at, this is the potential at A, VA, this is VB. So the potential at A, that is less than the potential at B. Okay? Here we are concerned only with positive charge. Followed. Now, the potential at A, that is what? Greater than, less than the potential at B, because in case of B, the amount of work done is more as compared to A. Now from here, we come to the concept of electric potential difference. Now see here, electric potential difference. Now one more point, remember here, the V equal to W by Q naught. So this one, you can also write from here, work done, that is equal to W equal to V into Q naught. Okay. Now what is electric potential difference? It is defined as the amount of work done to bring unit coulomb of positive charge from one point to the other in an electric field. So electric potential difference, it is what? It is defined as the amount of work done to bring unit coulomb of positive charge from infinity, from one point to the other in an electric field. So here, amount of work done to bring unit coulomb of positive charge from one point to the other, that is termed as electric potential difference. Now when it is brought from infinity to a particular point P, it is electric potential. From infinity to A, it is electric potential at A. From infinity to B, it is electric potential at B. And when it is work done is from position A to position B, it is electric potential difference. Now see here, See here, this is the electric potential difference. Now suppose this is the diagram, it is potential at A, this is potential at B. So potential at A, that is equal to what? WA by Q naught, or work done to bring, that is VA into Q naught. Similarly, potential at B, that is VB equal to WB by Q naught, or WB, that is equal to what? VB into Q naught. Okay. Now, work done from A to B, that is WAB, that is equal to work done from B to minus WB minus WA. So work done from A to B, that is VB into Q naught minus VA into Q naught. Work done from A to B, that is VB minus VA into Q naught. Okay. So VB minus VA, that is equal to WAB by Q naught. So here, work done to bring the charge from A to unit coulomb, from positive charge from A to B. This is what? VB minus VA. So this is potential difference. So we can write work done from A to B per unit positive charge equal to what? V. This potential difference also we are denoting by V. It is having the same unit as that of W by Q naught is there. Unit will be same, everything will be same. Only there is what? Variation in the definition, that is in case of electric potential it was from infinity to a particular point, and in case of that is here, in case of electric potential difference, it is one point to the other. Okay. Now see here, related to this some conceptual question comes. See here, now see here, this is a plus Q charge, and here this is Q naught coulomb of charge. This is A, this one is B. So it is natural that the work done at B will be greater than that of A. So potential at work done at B, that is greater than work done at A. So potential at B will be greater than potential at A. Now see here, second case. Suppose this is minus plus Q charge I am taking. Okay. So from here we see that in the direction of electric field, you see potential at B is greater than potential at A. Means in the direction of electric field, electric potential decreases. Now here if it is plus Q charge, and suppose if in case in question if it is given minus Q charge. So here we don't have to do any work, because this one is plus charge and this one is minus charge. As such, the negative charge will naturally move towards the source charge. Hence, here we are not doing the work, but the system is doing the work. And remember, whenever work is being done by the system, okay, here see here in this case both were positive charge, so we have to do some work to move the charge towards A or towards B. So we were doing work on the charge. As such, the energy was increasing. Okay, that is the system is absorbing energy. But in this case, this is negative charge, this one is positive charge. So here we don't have to do any work, due to attraction on it will move. Hence, the charge is doing the work itself. As such, work energy is released. We don't have to do any work. So when the system moves from minus q coulomb charge to A, then it moves from A to B, it loses energy. Okay, work is being done by the system. The charge is moving itself. As such, it loses energy, due to which the work done at A and this is work done at B. Okay. So here, work done at A, that will be more than that of B. Work done means what? In case we can say that is energy. Okay. Next, the potential at B will be less than potential at A because energy is being released. Now suppose if there is both negative charge, this is also negative charge, this is also minus q naught coulomb of charge. In that case, if this is A, this one is B, again we have to do work because there will be repulsive force in between them. So we have to do external work. As such, work done at B, that will be what? Greater than work done at A. Potential at B will be greater than potential at A. Okay? Now see here. So from here what we can conclude? One star marking point we can conclude, that is see here, one point we can conclude: when work is done on the system, first point, it absorbs energy. Second point, that is the electric potential increases. Okay. Yes. Yeah, this you do one thing. This is the first point, work is done on the system. Number 2, it absorbs energy. Number 3, that is electric potential increases in the here. Just do it. Electric potential decreases in the direction of electric field. Whereas electric potential difference increases. So work is here, star marking point you write down. If both charges are of same nature, if both charges are of same nature, so if both the charges are of same nature, that means what? Both are plus or both are minus. Work is done on the system. When the work is done on the system, it absorbs energy. Electric potential decreases in the direction of electric field, whereas electric potential difference increases. Okay. Yes. Next. So now if it is of opposite charge, then work is done by the system. If charges are opposite in nature, first point, work done by the system. Number 2, electric potential increases, just opposite, increases. Second point, that is it releases energy. Energy is released. Energy is released. Just opposite to this one. Okay. Third, electric potential increases in the direction of electric field and electric potential difference also increases. Now see here, both the charges are positive in nature, both are negative in nature. In that case, what happens? There is repulsive force, so work is done on the system. So the system will absorb energy. When the system will absorb energy, as it will come closer, the electric potential will decrease. It will move away in the direction of electric field, the electric potential decreases. Opposite to the direction, it will increase. Here also same case. If it is opposite in yes, and the potential difference, you see, as the distance gap will increase, the potential difference will increase. In this case, if it is plus, second one is minus. So we don't have to do any work. The charge will be attracted, so the work is done by the system. Energy is released, electric potential decreases as it comes closer, and when it moves away in the direction of electric field, the electric potential increases. So these are basic concept, whatever is required. Next we will come to what? See here. Relation between electric potential difference and electric field. Now, relation between electric potential difference and electric field. First will come in case of uniform field. In case of uniform field. In case of uniform field means what? The electric field is almost constant. Now see here. This is the direction of electric field. Okay. So there are two positions. A, this one is okay. And this is the direction of electric field. That means what? There is some source charge here. That is why electric field is moving along right direction. And earlier also only I have told that here potential at A will be what? Less than that of B. Okay. And here remember we are generally concerned with positive charges. So here potential at A, this one is potential at B. So work done, suppose Q0 coulomb of charge is moved from A to B. So work done from A to B, that is difference in potential into charge Q0. This is equation number 1. Again, work done from A to B, that is also equal to what? Force into displacement. Now electric field force acting on the charge, that will be what? Electric field is E, charge is Q naught. So electric field force, that is Q naught E, and displacement S is what? AB. A to B. This is equation number 2. Okay. So here equating 1 and 2. So when we are equating 1 and 2, Q naught E into AB, that is equal to VB minus VA into Q naught. Q naught and Q naught will cancel out. E, that is equal to VB minus VA by AB. Now this distance AB, we are taking this distance as what? L. Let the distance be L. VB minus VA, let it be V, or E equal to V by L. So this is the relation between electric potential difference and electric field. So from here we are getting one more unit of electric field, unit of E, that is volt per meter. Okay. Unit of E, that is volt per meter. Now sometimes they may ask, so that volt per meter is the unit of E. Now we know that unit of electric field is what? Newton per coulomb. So volt per meter, volt, that is what? V equal to W by Q naught. W by Q naught. Meter, that is what? As usual, meter. W, that is what? Joule per coulomb. Work done, that is force into displacement. Force into displacement, that is M. Okay. This one is again meter. This will cancel out. So force, that is unit is what? Newton per coulomb. Wait, I will write in a better way. Voltage, that is what? Joule per coulomb. Joule per coulomb into meter. Now joule, that is what? Newton meter. Newton meter by coulomb meter. This is cancel out. Newton per coulomb. Hence volt per meter, that is what? Newton is the unit of electric field. Related to electric potential difference, you can take one question. Write down. Determine the work done to move 2 microcoulomb charge from A to B if potential at A and B are 7 volt and 11 volt respectively. So here 7 volt and 11 volt respectively, we have to determine the amount of work done. Now remember, amount of work done, that is what? Difference in potential into charge. This is very much important. Remember, whenever they are asking amount of work done, that is difference in potential into charge. So W, that is equal to difference in potential, that is 11 volt minus 7 volt into Q naught, that is 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb. So this is 4 volt into 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb. So 8 into 10 to the power minus 6 joule. This is the amount of work done. Okay. So we will do up till here only. Yes. Next class we will do further. Okay.